Today we'll show you how to set up VPN in your PC for free. Okay, like downloading or setup like this. Okay, the best VPN, it's so free. Okay, just now go to Google and open this. Like put now Psiphone like this. Psiphone 3. Okay, like this is the word. Did you see Psiphone 3? Okay, after this, guys, just now go to the first here. It's here, and you can add it in your PC or in your Android or on your phone. You can do what you want. Okay, just now click here to the second one, and here will we find like in the Play Store, in the App Store, in the Mac App Store, in the local App Store, Android and Windows, and you can download what you want. Okay, just now to click to Psiphone for Windows, and after this just we need to wait it, and it's only the 9 MB, okay, megabyte. Just we will need to wait it. Okay guys, now it's a complete. Okay, it's done now. Just click in this application and you will wait only seconds, few seconds. Okay, finally this, you can use all this is VPN like Austria, like Belgium, like Canada, like Switzerland, like German, like Denmark, like Spain, like French, like UK, like all. It's so much VPNs. Did you see? It's so much VPNs. It's so free. It's all of them are free. Okay, guys. Okay, after this, we'll define find now in your now in the French like AP, one AP like this. Okay, guys, IP address, and you will see now our IP address. Okay, this is IP address. Did you see? It's okay now. Just don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.